If you want to integrate smoothly in Germany, Switzerland, or Austria, knowing about the Kaffee und Kuchen tradition is a must. Kaffee und Kuchen literally means coffee and cake. For most people, the weekend, especially Sunday, is prime time for a relaxed chat during Kaffee und Kuchen, which we call Kaffeeklatsch. There are countless cafes and authentic Konditorei all over the country, like this one here in the background. Sometimes it can be quite overwhelming when it comes to ordering in a cafe. So today I'm going to teach you how to order and share with you some common questions that you might want to ask. Welcome to my channel, Speak Fluent German. If we haven't met yet, my name is Salome. I'm a German teacher based in Frankfurt, and Speak Fluent German is all about helping you build your confidence and conversation skills, especially in daily life situations like this. If you are just as excited as I am about today's lesson, then please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of my upcoming lessons. We're here today at a very traditional German cafe in the middle of the Taunus region, which is a mountain range in Hessen close to Frankfurt. For today, I have already reserved a table, and if you want to learn more about how to make a reservation in German, then definitely go ahead and check out this video right here. Alright, let's go inside. Los geht's! Exactly how your coffee and cake setup may look like depends on the country and time of year, as traditional German cakes vary according to both region and season. In the Black Forest, cafes are known for their Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte, which is a chocolate sponge cake with layers of whipped cream and cherry liquor as the secret ingredient. In Bavaria, it's the Prinzregententorte, which has layers of sponge and chocolate buttercream finished with apricot jam and dark chocolate. Here where I am from, which is in the Frankfurt region, the specialty is der Frankfurter Kranz. This is a bunt cake layered with jam and buttercream. Let's get started with part 1, how to make your order. If you want to make your order in German, there are 3 phrases that you can use. The first one is Ich hätte gern. Ich hätte gern. Ich hätte gern means I would like to have, and whatever your order is, you would place afterwards at the end of the sentence. Nummer 2. Ich nehme. Ich nehme. Ich nehme means I take, and again we would add whatever our order is afterwards. Und Nummer 3. Ich möchte. Ich möchte. Ich möchte means I would like, and here you would also add whatever you would like to order at the end. Let's see how this looks in real life.
Also ich nehme einmal die Schokosahnetorte, dann hätte ich gerne einmal die Tiroler Buttercreme und einen Bienenstich bitte.
Was möchten Sie denn gern trinken?
Ich hätte gern eine Flasche Wasser. Ich nehme einen Milchkaffee. Ich hätte gern 2 Latte Macchiato. Und ich möchte einen Cappuccino bitte.
Ja, gerne. Cappuccino klein oder groß?
Einen großen Cappuccino.
Und die Wasserflasche auch groß oder klein?
Ja, eine große Wasserflasche und 4 Gläser bitte.
Ja, sehr gerne.
Super, Dankeschön.
In this dialogue, the waitress asked me cappuccino, klein oder groß. Klein means small and groß means big. So she wanted to know if I want to have a big or small cappuccino. If you would like a big drink, you can say einen großen Cappuccino, einen großen Kaffee, einen großen Tee. If you would like to have the small version of that, you would add kleinen instead. Einen kleinen Kaffee, einen kleinen Cappuccino, bitte. She also asked me, und die Wasserflasche auch groß oder klein? Which means, and the water bottle also big or small? So the Wasserflasche means the water bottle. And here I answered eine große Wasserflasche und 4 Gläser bitte. So I wanted to have a big bottle of water and 4 glasses. 1 glass is ein Glas, and multiple glasses, so the plural version, are die Gläser. Bonus tip. Here are some different types of milk in case you don't drink the usual milk. Die fettarme Milch. Die Hafermilch. Die Mandelmilch. So if you want to ask for these types of milk, you can say:
Hätten Sie auch Hafermilch? Hätten Sie auch fettarme Milch? Hätten Sie auch Mandelmilch?
Hier bitte. Danke. Guten Appetit.
Ja, Baudekarte. Komm jetzt. Danke. 31 Vielen Dank. Das passt so. Vielen Dank. Dann noch einen schönen Montag.
Danke, tschüss.
So in this last dialogue, you've seen me pay, and there are a few important phrases that you need to know when it comes to paying in a cafe. First of all, if you want to tell the waitress or the waiter that you would like to pay, you can say: Entschuldigung, wir würden gerne bezahlen, bitte. Wir würden gerne bezahlen, bitte. This literally means, excuse me, we would like to pay, please. Very often they will ask you then, bar oder mit Karte, which means cash or with bank card or credit card. It's also really common to give tips in Germany, so usually you would give a higher amount and then you can simply say, das stimmt so, that's fine this way, or what I said, das passt so. Das passt so means that fits, alright? So she will know that she doesn't have to give me any change. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below how you're doing with ordering at a cafe in German. And make sure you tune in for next week because we're going to have a listening exercise next week. I'll be interviewing the Konditormeisterin and she's going to tell us more about the cafe itself, traditional cakes in Germany, and much more. So make sure you're subscribed because you don't want to miss out on this one. Das ist alles für heute. That's it for today. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!